Alright, Mr. A, here I am with my eyeball. I hate to tell you this, but this is the grossest thing I can think of. I'm glad I'm doing this now so I don't have to worry about it next semester. I really worked for a vet for a long time, but I have a hard time with eyes. Okay, at the back of the eye here, this is where the optic nerve is. So that means that this is the front of the eye. It doesn't much look like a regular eye because it's been somewhat thin, but this is the skin around the eye. The cover coating this is the cornea, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it off, and what's going to happen is there is some vitreous humor is going to come oozing out. Okay, I can see there's some air coming in there already. I'm glad my husband is not home. He would not be very happy about me doing this up here. So I am pulling off, and there goes the vitreous humor coming out of the eye. Forceps here, and I'm going to lift this up. I think I'm going to need to cut some more. Alright, that should do it. Take the cornea off. Here's our cornea. It's still got some liquid. Now, I do have a paper here that has the order of what I wanted to show you. So I've done the cornea and the vitreous humor. Now, this black ring in here, okay, that's the iris. That's the next thing. I'm going to lift that out if I can. I have to tell you that the virtual dissection really did help me understand of what exactly I needed to do here. I'm going to cut into and around. Now it's not going to come off clean like it did in the picture, but this is the iris, which is dark brown. I may have to use my scissors to cut that out. Well, I got more goo. I'm assuming that if I've gone deep enough that some of that is the that's the vitreous humor. The stuff that came out, the liquid that came out when I sliced the cornea is the vitreous humor. That's the aqueous humor. I mean, the vitreous humor is what's behind the lens, which I'm going to try to take out here. It's not cooperating, but here we go. Yep, there's our lens. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It looks kind of like a rather large pearl. So all of the liquid that is remaining in here that I'm dumping into my basin is vitreous humor. Okay, that first little bit was the aqueous humor around the cornea. Now that's in there. Now what I have to do is try to get through all of this heavy white stuff. Now it's very slippery. Which is the sclera. I can't even cut this because I need to get into the retina. There we go. Cut this very, very tough sclera. I'm dealing a lot better with this than I thought I would. I will tell you that, because I am not a big fan of eyeballs. Okay, so here is a giant goo of vitreous humor. It really looks just a lot like Jello. Okay, now I can see in here all the vascularized parts of the the, there's still a little bit of iris there. Cut that off. Okay. Uh-oh, just dropped my scissors. Now, what's left inside here is highly vascularized. You can see the spot there. And here is, well, there's a piece of it. See if I can pull out the retina. Slide around here. I know you can't see what I'm doing. But here is, oh, it's got different colors on it, which would be hopefully our rods and cones or photoreceptors, or, and what's left of the retina. So the retina came out from the inside, and then that spot that was highly vascularized attached to the optic nerve. I believe I covered all of the things there. I'm glad I do not have to do another eyeball, hopefully, next semester. Thank you. And I will post this soon.